Let's simply understand the difference between percentages and percentiles. Imagine this is you, Perry, who is definitely not a platypus, and this is your Professor Doof. Now, Professor Doof is like, oh, you performed very bad. You get 50% in your exam. What does that mean? If your exam was worth 80 marks and you got 40 out of that, which means you got half of all the marks available, and in percentages, we just convert this into a 100 scale because 100 is a very easy number to imagine in everyday life. And you say you got 50 and the symbol for percentage, so 50%. But Professor Doof also tells you that you got 50 percentile or 50th percentile. What does that mean? Well, that simply means that if your class had 10 people, you simply placed ahead of 50%, which means 5 people got lesser marks than you. Simple enough. So percentiles are different to percentages. The simple difference is that percentiles calculate the amount of people or amount of values you are ahead of rather than your own value. So with any example, you can just take this and replace the value of your percentage over here. And by the way, it's very important to remember that this is the symbol for percentage, and when we are talking about percentiles, we are talking about quantiles, essentially numbers or percentage of people or any other values you're ahead of, not your exact value. So we use over here, th. I hope this makes you understand this concept better.